If you want to learn the English language, if you want to improve your English speaking skill, then this video is so special and so beneficial video for you. Yes guys, if you are searching in the internet that how I can make the sentences, how I can length and also increase my sentences, then again I want to say that this video is very special for you. That's why don't skip any moment, any second of this video, because today I'm going to talk about that how to increase your sentences, how you can make sentences more and more. Okay, how you can make length of your sentence, and also what is the benefits of the sentence. I will talk about the sentence A to Z, because guys, remember one thing first, try to understand that if you want to speak, then you need sentences. Without sentence we can't speak. That's why sentences is most important. So what are you doing? We people just think about the hard works. Yes guys, we just think about the hard works, not the easy and the commonest work. We goes to grammar, we goes to pronunciation, we goes to vocabulary, but first try to understand the common, the basic things. In your mother tongue also you don't read, and also you don't read and write any another. Yes guys, any another grammar books, or someone didn't send you to school. So how you learn? By listening and speaking. Okay, first of all, you did not speak any like grammar rules, grammar materials. What is your name? My name is that. First time you read, and also you just try to speak some sentences. One sentences, two sentences, mama, baba. It is called thing. It is called the beginning try. Always remember, first just go very deeper and deeper, and also find out the common thing. As I say, to a great mind, nothing is little. This is also very important. We think that the sentences, I can make the sentences after I will speak English. When I can speak English, when I will to speak English, then I also will able to make sentences. But it is wrong, guys. Until you make the sentences, until you learn the making sentences, you can't. So that's why I just made this today's video. Yes guys, I am also very excited and also powerful for all of you to show you that what is the matter. And I know guys, you also won't skip any moment on this video. So let's go without any stop.
3, 2, 1.
So the first thing is the benefits. What the benefits of the sentences? Why I'm just making videos like this? I also can do lots of type of videos and get views. But just remember guys, I won't make videos for any subscribers or for any views. I want to share the ideas, the tips and tricks with you also. And also, I am also just learning this language. That's why I want to share with you also, you all of the people. And just remember guys, one thing, that I am speaking and I am also doing the practices. If you will speak, then you will do practices. If anyone says to you that bro, please please complete my homework, I can't complete, you know everything, just remember guys, when you are just doing the another person's homework, then the homework and the things you are learning, not the another one, not the another any boys or girls or in another person. So what are you doing? If you are riding a cycle, then you're learning the riding cycle. If someone says you, then please bro, ride my cycle, and if you will ride, then I also learn how to ride. It is not any have logic. If you want to write, then you have to write. You can't do your work with someone else. So guys, remember this thing. Always try to understand my things, and also always try to understand my words. Okay, so the thing is that the sentences, first try to understand that what are you speaking. in your mother tongue, not in English. Just try to realize that what you are speaking. While you are just doing conversation with your father, your parents, or also your family members, your friends, with anyone, what you are just speaking or talking. You are not just speaking the words that leave, house. Yesterday I learned the grammar rules. Present, it is present. Future, past, it is does not anything. When we will do some conversation to anyone, we can't use the present, past, and also the future. And also we can't use the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. We can't. And also if you go in the America and also in another big countries, then if someone just want to do some conversation with you, they won't say you that, hey, do you know the grammar rules? They will just say one thing to you. Do you know English? And you have to just speak, and also you have to give the answer that yes, I know. And how you will know? With the sentences. Remember one thing, in this whole world no one will ask you that do you know, also do you know the grammar rules. They will understand your basis, they will understand your speaking level by your speaking, your sentences. Also the same thing I want to understand to you, that what we are just doing in our mother tongue, we are speaking with whom, what the thing that help us to speak the sentences. Yes guys, sentences, like the leaf and also like the tree. Now the tree, we know the tree, T for tree, TR, but what is then after? What is the thing? Okay, you have to make some sentences with the tree. So it is the thing I want to say you, everyone. Remember, if you are saying that God, please give me some power, please give me some powers, we always just think that if we had some power, we can do this, we can do this. But remember, God gives us lots of powers, and one of them is that talking. We can express our feelings, our inner thoughts by speaking with anyone. So this thing is very important, I think, that speaking. And how we'll speak? By sentences. Some words. When we just link some words, and also when we can get lots of stock words, then it is called a sentence. Yes guys. Sentence is so important for learning everything. We also know that how we speak by sentence. Imagine a world without sentence. They can't speak anything. They will just say tree, quotes, English, want. It is nothing but there is a tree. The tree is so beautiful. There are lots of leaves out there. The quotes are so beneficial for us. I read a quote yesterday. I want to read lots of quotes. This is called a sentences. So I think guys everyone understand also very clearly that what is the sentences, what is the benefits of the sentences. And now I am going to talk about that how to increase your sentences, how you can build sentences automatically while you are speaking with someone, how you can build some sentence. So it is so important for us. So guys, let's go. So guys, as I tell you, now I am going to talk about that how we can increase our sentences. Okay, so this topic also very important for every beginner. So just don't skip this topic, I want to say first. So like try to understand, if you, I always say you that if you want to speak English, then you have to speak, otherwise you can't. So this thing also like this, if you want to just increase lots of sentences while you are speaking to someone or while you are doing to conversation with them, this is so quite difficult, I think. Yes guys, because just remember one thing, you are just practicing in your home. There is no anyone. You are just speaking in front of a mirror. But when you just go to someone else, and also when it is a time for you to speak and also do some conversation with someone, then we can't. Yes, guys, that time our whole brain is not just prepared very well to speak with them. But just remember, everything just happens for the sentences. If you can get a lot of stocks of sentences, then you can. But now I'm going to talk about that how you can just build lots of sentences while you are speaking with someone, like anything else. Everything depends on your practice. I will talk about a practice. Like guys, there are lots of natural things in our home also. We knows that. There, but just remember one thing. Take something like that is leaf. We everyone learn also. We everyone know that it is a leaf. But what is that? What is the after then? We won't speak, just live with someone. When we just go to someone, then we have to speak that yes, it is a leaf. This leaf is so beautiful. Its color also like this. So it is also a very beneficial and important idea. Just remember, you just take an object from the nature or anything. Like there is a leaf. There are lots of leaves. And now just make 10, 20, 50, and also 16 sentences with the same object or with the same topic, the leaves. Then you can see the growth and also the improvements in your speaking also. Like there are lots of kind of leaves, like these leaves are just long, but those leaves are just fat. So there are lots of things in the natural things, like the bicycle. We everyone knows what is the uses of the bicycle, but in our schools we just learn the bicycle, but we didn't learn that what we have to learn after the bicycle. Yes guys, it is right that it is the bicycle. I want to show you that it is the bicycle, and now what we do with the bicycle. What is the uses of a bicycle? Just write down. Take a copy, take a pen, and then write down that it is a bicycle. This bicycle color is red. It is so old bicycle. There are two pedals in the bicycle. There are two wheels in the bicycle. The pedals are not just so good. So there are simple sentence. Just build. First, just build, and the thing will be so grow up. Like here you can see there are lots of stones also like that. And now what we learn, that stones, yeah, there are a lot of stones. Stone is as for stones, I just run. But what is after the stones? You have to just build. Oh yes guys, there are lots of stones, and from where we get the stones, and what is the stone, the stones colors, and also there are lots of stones, and from where we get the stones, like simple words you can make. And if you are also very curious about the stones, then what we will do the stones in the future, so don't worry, I also will make some videos. My father is just collecting all of the stones. He always goes to the morning work for morning work and the railway station, and from there he just collects some small like small stone collector, you can say that. So now after a few days I want to reveal this thing. After a few days we will do a workshop. We everyone, some people, we will do some workshops, and in this workshop you can the uses, you can see the uses of the stones. Yes guys, for this, if you are curious about that what we will do in the workshop with the stones, then just please subscribe our channel. Because if you won't subscribe our channel, then you can't get the notification of every videos. Then it is very important with everyone. So that was I just talked about. What you talking? If you want to learn, then do practices. What the practice is, wake up in the morning earlier, take a pen, take a copy, and then just take a simple object, the leaves, the another type of leaves, also anything you want to check, the bicycle, the skies, the trees, and also the birds, the animals, the people, me, my channel, the subscribe, please subscribe. So just remember this, guys, always do practice. This practice is what, take an object, simple object, then write some sentences with that can be simple sentences. I will give you some examples, like it is a leaf, the leaves are so beautiful, and also this tree is full of leaves, the leaves are just green, the design also are just beautiful of the tree. And then the uses of the leaf, this leaf, yesterday my friend cut off, and also just cut all the leaves from a tree, and also yesterday I saw the same leaves in another tree. There are lots of sentences, so first try to introduce the leaves. There you can write, also you can write down 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences about the leaves, and then after that just try to write down some words, some sentences of the uses of the leaves. But remember, guys, don't worry about the thing that what you have to write. Just take a pen and copy, and then write down all of the sentence first in your mother tongue. Yes, guys, in your mother tongue. First try to write in your mother tongue, and then after you also can't see that you were writing it in automatically English. Yes, with the help of some like mobile, like the phone is so beneficial, and also the phone you can get everything from the phone. So you also can find out the sentences, the meaning, and also the English meaning of the sentences of a word. This is the common thing, everyone knows that. So we are just sitting. Phone is also a very great way to learn this English language, I think. The phone also helps us to improve our speaking also. It was the thing that I want to say, guys. Just remember, do practice, and if you are just doing practice, then don't worry, I am also with you. I am doing practice, and I want to say everyone one thing, that if you subscribe my channel, then your journey, your hard and also very long journey of English, I will make it very easy. Like and think, lots of people are just watching, they also feel very interest in our every video, but they are not subscribing. What the matter, guys, how it can be. So please subscribe, I am with you. My responsibility is to making videos and also to giving you a lot to learn, but your responsibility also, like the video, share, comment, and also just subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, thank you, bye bye. If you learned something from this video, making sentences, then please like this video, comment what your feelings about this idea, and also thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon.